should be giving it up. Shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me. I'm a girl, shake that ass for me.
So guys, today was okay. First we went to Blackcomb and I looked at Magic Chair and I had a mental breakdown, so we gave up on that idea. Then we went to Whistler and I went to the beginner area and I got to the top, and then I had another mental breakdown and I had a little bit of a cry. But then we tried again and I did it. And I managed to do, well, not did it, but I didn't die, and I managed to like, got my heel edge and I got up on my own like 4 times and on my heel edge, and I even did a turn, but I fell over, but I still did a turn. So what can I say, I'm basically a natural now.
Try fire. No one got me! No one got me! That's fucking crazy.
Do I look a bit fucking weird in this?
No.